Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a quick and easy Pinterest inspired DIY project for you guys. So if you're interested in watching, then stay tuned. I was scrolling Pinterest and saw this cutting board wall and knew I had to have it. I started off by marking where my studs were, which this project did not require studs. I pre-drilled 2 holes to where my shower rods were going to go. I purchased them from my local hardware store. And it is super simple, guys. You just follow the instructions on the shower rods and go from there. The great thing about this project is totally customizable. You can put it to whatever length, the maximum length that the shower rods are, or the shortest length that you want is totally up to you. I'm such a stickler about making sure I measure twice. So I'm just making sure and double checking that everything is going to line up. I would hate to have a wobbly shower rod on my wall. Unfortunately, the camera battery died, and I didn't know it for 30 minutes or more. So by this time I had already went through all the process of putting the shower rods up. But I promise you, it is super easy. And here I am, ready to hang my cutting board. The other thing you'll need for this is some S-hooks. I purchased them from TJ Maxx. They had it in the shower curtain section, in the bath section. The good thing is you can purchase as many cut boards or as little cut boards. It is up to you, however you want to do it. And that's the good thing about this project. You get to absolutely tailor this part to what your interests and your likes are. I got these 2 kitchen towels, I believe from Ross, if I'm not mistaken. One thing I would definitely say, I do plan to add more cutting boards to it. But listen, cutting boards are expensive. I didn't realize how expensive these things were until I started this project. So let me get my budget together, and I'm sure that I'll be adding some more to it. But for right now, what you see is what you got. All right, everything's added and it's a go. And here we go. I think it turned out really nice, and it was quick, simple, and easy. All it took was a drill, a screwdriver, and some muscles. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you're inspired to do something similar and make it your own. Hopefully you guys, if you like what you see, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.